What do you do when you no longer want that large home with all the yard work that comes with it, but you're not quite ready to downsize to a patio home?
You buy a gorgeous standalone carriage home built by one of the area's best builders, Kaclik Builders. Let's go inside and take a tour of this showstopper. Located in the Stonebridge community in Hampton, this 9-year-young custom-built beauty not only has stunning builder's touches, but many extra high-end finishes that the owner added during the build process, as well as built-in speaker system. Step through the classic double doors into a private master suite sanctuary with tray ceiling and large walk-in California closet. The master bathroom was specially designed for the sellers to allow room for a soaking tub and a toweled-in shower. Every attention to detail was given to this build.
The 2-story entry and great room with the interior balcony is highlighted by the corner fireplace. You'll appreciate radiant heated floors to keep your toes warm year-round on the main level. What is better than that home-cooked meal? Cooking that meal in this kitchen adorned by this luxurious leather granite countertop that adds warmth and sophistication to this modern design. The timeless subway tile backsplash adds a smooth yet rustic appeal.
This 3-season room is another special detail that you won't find in others in this development. Energy-efficient windows with screens allow a fresh breeze or a true extra living space when closed.
Upstairs, you will find 2 more bedrooms and a full bathroom. The 3rd bedroom is currently being used as a home gym, but you will appreciate the versatility of this space with a large walk-in closet and hardwood floors.
Location is always important in a home, and this walkable community is just minutes away from both North Park and Heartwood Acres to enjoy many outdoor activities as well as nearby restaurants.
We've enjoyed showing you this home that allows you maintenance-free living. From the grass cutting to snow removal, this is a time to really enjoy living the life that you're meant to.
If you'd like to tour this home, contact us today. We are Ned and Leslie Bruns with RE/MAX Select Realty.